Assalamu alaikum and good morning students. It's biology for class 10th and our topic is going on our environment. In my previous classes I have covered the topic till now, that is environment, ecosystem, types of ecosystem, components, food chain, food web and characteristics of food chain. And today I am going to explain you one very important topic, that is biological magnification. Now what's the mean by biological magnification? The increase in concentration of harmful chemical substances like pesticides in the body of living organisms at each trophic level of a food chain is called biological magnification. Now when we go through this definition, the question arises to us, how the pesticides enters in our body, how and why the percentage of the concentration of these harmful substances increase as we are going to the higher level of the food chain. Let me show. You can see students, here a person is doing a very important task of the crop production. While the crop production, one activity is there, that is spraying of the insecticides and pesticide to protect the plant. And this person is doing the same thing. He is spreading the pesticides over the crop to protect it. So in this way what happened? This pesticides mix with the water, and this water or pesticide is absorbed by the plants as well as it is absorbed by the soil, because with the water it is going to the soil. Which type of harmful chemicals are there? Like DDT, or it contains the mercury and many different type of chemicals which are harmful for us. And by the mean of pesticide, it is going to the soil as well as to the crop. And these pesticides, if we are washing the crop also, if we are bringing any fruits and vegetable at home, if we are washing it properly, then also what would happen? These are remaining, some part of these pesticides are remaining in our body. But there are the different ways are there that is reaching to the man or human being. Like it is a simple example of a food chain has been given to you. As I told you that the pesticides or harmful chemicals are going to the soil, and here from the soil the plants are absorbing the nutrients. So the plants are getting these insecticides or pesticides are now accumulate in the plant, and plants, as I told you, producer herbivores are feeding on that, or the omnivores are feeding on the plant, and in this way it is reaching to the next level. And on this secondary consumer, the tertiary consumers are feeding. So in this way the insecticides or pesticides are passing from one level to another level. But in the definition it was there that the concentration is increasing at each level. How it possible? Here, like this is a plant eaten by the mouse, the concentration increase. Here a snake which is eating a mouse. Here you can see that the concentration increase, and it is a topmost consumer, and here it has the maximum concentration of the harmful substances. So why it is increased? You can see here. Like here it is the example I am taking, like this plant and this plant having the or absorb, they are containing, they accumulate the X insecticide or harmful substances. The quantity is X. So in this way these are the three plants which are having the X. Okay. When the harmful substances spraying on this crop, that time what happen, a particular plant will absorb a particular amount of the harmful substances. So in this way, let this plant has the x amount of the harmful substance, it is having the x, so they are having the x level of harmful substances. Now what happened, like this is herbivores, a grasshopper. This grasshopper is not eating only one plant. What happened? Let we are taking the example, this grasshopper is eating the all three plants. Okay, the different type of plants. No. So what would happen? The amount of the insecticide will increase in the herbivores. Getting x, x and x all combined 3x. Now this grasshopper is eaten by another consumer, that is a frog. So the frog is not eating one grasshopper, they are eating the more number of the grasshopper. So here again you can see in this way what happened, the percentage increase. Now like I have taken the example, one frog eating the 3 grasshopper, all contains the 3x, so 3x multiply 4, what happened? Now the amount increased to the 12x. Now the next consumer is coming, like this is a snake. This snake is eating the different frog which accumulate 12x. Sorry, 12x harmful substances. So what happened? Again it is magnified or the percentage increased to the 60x, and to the next level it increased to the 420x. So what happened? You can see from producer to the primary, then secondary, then tertiary, and then the topmost consumer. Every time the concentration of harmful substances is increasing, and this increase in harmful substances at every trophic level of the food chain is called biological magnification. As we move to the higher trophic level, more harmful chemicals are accumulated. Accumulated means stored in the organism, and this is called biological magnification. I think students the concept clear to you. I am just revising this example again. Like every plant is, let us see that absorbing certain amount of the harmful substances, and the herbivores is not feeding on one type of plant, they are feeding on the different type of plants. So what would happen? That all harmful substances will accumulate in that herbivore's body, and that the next consumer will not eat one herbivore or one particular organism, they will feed on the different type of herbivores. So what would happen? In this way, in their body the concentration will increase, and in this way the concentration of harmful substance increase at every trophic level, and this is called biological magnification. I hope student you understood this topic. Further more topic I will explain you in my next class. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.